got our stuff packed, ready to go. Are you excited to go to Amalfi? Yeah. So stoked. I feel so much better now that we have everything, we're situated. We're kind of running on good timing. We just decided to do a girls trip because, you know, our boyfriends couldn't go on vacation with us and it just kind of worked out. It started off as an idea and then we were both like, hey, I'm down, are you down? So we just kind of like started looking things up, we started booking things, and then next thing you know, we're here. Bad, but I started getting tired and sleepy towards the end. Then I have my little comfy pillow, so I was kind of taking a little bit of a nap. Now we have to catch another train or a bus to Amalfi, but we're gonna figure that out right now.
I told her that she only needed to take a carry-on. She wanted all this luggage.
I wanted like a check-in and a carry-on.
I convinced her to bring one.
And this.
Tell me you're happy now.
I'm so happy. Dude, I had to lug this like up the stairs, down the stairs. But when I was going up, I was literally going one step at a time. And then those sweet men helped us. Sweet Italian gentlemen helping us. Oh my God, bless their heart. And then we're like running, booking it here.
We're gonna be late for the train.
Yeah, the little man like blowing the whistle because he was like almost like saying hurry up. But thankfully there was like another little old man and his wife that were also like running late. So they were like running here. And then we get on the bus and I promise you it's like the movies where we're like asking like a local around here, we're asking him like, is this it? And then our heart dropped because he was almost like, I don't know, like it made it seem like it wasn't the one. Oh my God, I was literally about to start crying. We're currently in Salerno, but we're not sure how to get to Amalfi. Oh, sorry. We're currently in Salerno, but we're not too sure on how to get to Amalfi from here.
Flowers in my hair were winter flowers, and days went by but felt like hours. Seasons multiplying power that I found in winter flowers.
And then to the right, we have the restroom. This is the shower. Look at all the tile. These are our potties. The best part is the patio. So there's one bed, and then there's actually two beds upstairs. So it's almost like a little loft. The upstairs. Ooh. How cute! Oh my gosh, it's kind of small up here. So look, there's two beds up here. We finished getting ready. It's still raining out here, but we chose this restaurant. We just kind of stumbled upon it. Yeah. And it's really pretty because it has a beautiful view of the cathedral in front of it. I ended up ordering spaghetti because I told Jay that I would try spaghetti because I don't like it at all. I hate spaghetti. But I'm gonna have it out here for him. And then I ordered fries as well. Sai, what did you get?
I got a pizza.
So this is my spaghetti. My fries. Oh my God. I needed a little touch of home. And then Tyler's pizza. It looks really fresh.
It really does.
Yeah, like it looks bomb.
Okay.
Keep it coming, keep it coming. I'm just kidding. Yeah. I love cheese.
I love cheese, only cheese.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, because we all more cheese.
Do you happen to have like ranch? Do you have ranch cheese?
French.
Like dressing?
Dressing, yes. Oil, balsamic, salt and pepper.
Okay, can I have oil balsamic?
Okay.
That's good. Thank you.
Good.
I guess they don't have ranch.
I know, right? We were literally running so late per usual, and our Capri boat almost left us. Well, we thought it almost left us. We were like walking around asking people, and so finally we went to the kiosk and they told us that they were waiting for us. Our boat is like pulling up to the dock right now, so thankfully we will still be able to visit Capri. Wow, look at this view. So right now we're just chilling, taking in the view. They gave us drinks. So they were just asking us right now if we wanted to go into a cave, but you have to pay €5. And I told them that we don't want to go there. They have another cave that we'll go into, and it's actually free. And we get to go in there and swim. These cliffs are insane. Take a look at that.
I promise.
Now approaching is the front of the coral cave. Coral cave because inside the cave, the line inside the water, the color red, is a very natural color.
We're waiting for our turn to go into the cave, and this is kind of like the process. We're just waiting. All the boats just kind of line up outside. See? We're almost going in there. Maybe because these are smaller boats. Honestly, like, the water is so beautiful out here.
Start again and build strong. Moving on. Keep it strong. Yeah.
Like the first the natural formation.
Oh, wow. I don't know if you guys see that. I could totally see it.
This is a symbol of the Capri. It's a very famous rock Sparaglioni. Now come past inside the arc of a rock. Look at that, inside the rock.
You can go in there?
Yeah. It's a closet because go inside the cave is another boat, small boat, 1 meter, max 4 people on board. The arc of the cave, look at there, is 3 feet large for 3 feet high.
So it seems like we won't be able to go into the Blue Grotto today, but I mean, I'm not really tripping. What about you? What do you think?
No worries.
It's okay. This is still so beautiful. We're taking it all in. The reason why we can't go in is because of the waves. They're a little too choppy, too crazy. So since we have to go from this boat to like a smaller boat, it's too much. We made it to Capri. It's so beautiful. So food and drinks, definitely first thing we're gonna do. And then just kind of take pictures, explore, and do all that stuff. Okay,
Nights and cold beds, breaking down, hurting heads, lost touch of the energy, losing all the chemistry. Moving on.
So my drink just got here. It's a strawberry spritz. We shall see what it tastes like.
Pasta.
Wow.
Enjoy.
Grazie. Tyler got the fish pastas,
Looks yummy.
and I got the fish of the day with potatoes.
are going to dinner. It's our second night in Amalfi. We're all showered and cleaned up from Capri.
Oh my gosh, it was so much fun, huh?
It was amazing. Amazing.
Yay!
Best thing ever. Ciao.
Grazie.
Ok. Buon appetito.
You fade in darkness. I move on.
Hey guys! So,
Good morning.
we're heading to the beach today. It'll be our first day, like being at the beach, having like just like a loungy day. I looked up the weather and it said it was gonna rain today because it's kind of like on and off over here. But I'm not sure, like it looks nice and sunny. Everything looks great so far.
Definitely does.
I really feel like I'm gonna have gelato right now. Because I haven't had it this whole trip yet and everything looks so amazing. Like everyone is always like with their little gelatos in their hand. So I think I'm gonna try some right now on our way to the beach. There's so many options, like literally there's one right here, right next door, there's one right there. Over here there's another one. Across the street, there's two right next to each other. Oh no, there's just one, sorry, that was a jewelry store. I just want to check out, I really want to check out what the gelato looks like and then just go off of that. I really do not know which one I want. This is a whole process. Like I have to try some. I'm gonna try the roasted latte right now. Oh my god, that was good. Just got my gelato. How do you like it?
Delicious. Yummy. I like it. French fries? Gracias. Oh!
So blogger. I'm a blogger.
Yeah. Yes. Hi. So we just finished packing. There's Ty. We're about to get ready to leave Casa Amore in Amalfi Coast. It was beautiful, it was amazing. This will be the last time we pass by here. Beautiful Amalfi town. Look at that view. I know, so sad. So next time.
Yes, until next time.
Yeah.
There will be a next time.
Yes, that just means we gotta come back. But now we know the process. People be making it look so easy on YouTube. But we are now about to buy tickets for Metro. It's been amazing. It's kind of funny because Tyler and I are getting it down. Like we know how to do this whole process. This trip has been so awesome. Traveling, going from like train ride to Metro the second half of the trip at Amalfi Coast so that we can just be lounging on the beach, hanging out, have that nice little boat trip. And as you guys saw, like it was really fun.
Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed our crazy adventure.
So look at, we added someone new to the group. We have Robin here. Hi Robin, say hello to the YouTube family.
Hi, YouTube
you, family.
Happy birthday!
I know, happy birthday.
It's Robin's birthday. So we met Robin on the plane ride from North Carolina to LA, and we're celebrating her birthday.
We all had a birthday toast on the plane.
We sure did.
Lots of fun.
Drink now?
Yes.
Where you from? One or two?
Oh.
This is literally the best thing in this world.
Are you recording? Yeah.
I'm living my best life.
Oh, let me fix it, guys. We also have a patio. Oh, if I could open it. Wowzers. Look at Ty wearing I Am Threads in Italy. Get it, girl. I don't know where we're going, but we're going. Tyler, water. 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 You're no joke, girl.
So good in my life.
You thirsty.
I'm thirsty.